Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss and learning about the logistic management. Logistic management, it is the subject in production and operation. It is the same as a PPC. Simultaneously, we will see here a logistic cycle. The logistic cycle start from the port. It will be goes to the supplies to the service sector, service to the warehouse and storage, from storage to transportations, again transportations to the port. This cycle will be the continuously working from production production customer to the consumer. This cycle will be continuously working on that the particular sections. And what is the meaning of logistic? The definitions of logistic is that in its a most basic form, logistic refer to the planning and executions of a complex operations. This can be include both long and short-term logistic operations. Logistic management is a part of supply chain. It involves the planning, implementing, overseeing the effective storage of goods and their transportation from the one point of origin until the final destinations. In another word, we can define the logistic. Logistic manages forward and reverse merchandise flows. The main component of logistic, first one is demand planning to guarantee customer order fulfillment. Demand planning is an essential logistic function. By ordering merchandise in the form of correct quantity and at the right price and mobilizing suitable transport, customer demand is met and profit are protected. This, this is the most important component of a logistic management. डिमांड प्लॅनिंग ऑल्सो, एखादा कस्टमर आहे जेव्हा तो तुम्हाला एखादी ऑर्डर देतो तर त्या ऑर्डरच्या वेळेस लॉजिस्टिक मॅनेजमेंट हे काय करतं की दिलेली जी ऑर्डर असेल ती एका राईट प्राईजला, राईट ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन्सला आणि कस्टमरच्या राईट टाईममध्ये त्यांना पोहोचवण्यात यावी, या गोष्टीसाठी लॉजिस्टिक मॅनेजमेंट हे डिमांड प्लॅनिंग सारखा प्लॅनिंग सारखे युटिलायझेशन्स करतात. देन स्टोरेज अँड मटेरियल्स, बिकॉज ऑफ डिमांड इज अनप्रिडिक्टेबल. आपली जी डिमांड असेल ही अनप्रिडिक्टेबल असते, कधी कमी असेल तर कधी जास्त असेल. इट इज द इम्पॉर्टंट टू हॅव अ सरप्लस goods on a standby until the consumer demand them. Warehouse are responsible for the storage, care, retrieval, packaging and unitizations of the merchandise. Warehouse management system optimizing storage capacity, equipment, for example forklift and retrieval speeds and warehouses process. Storage and material, in this parts we have to store a unpredictable customer demand. So at these situations we have to storage the extra goods in that the storage or warehouse. Inventory management control the flow of goods in and out of warehouse. It indicates how much stock to hold and where to locate it using the targeted data to predict consumer demand. That is called inventory management. इन्व्हेंटरी मॅनेजमेंट हे इन आणि आउट, जे वेअरहाऊसमध्ये जे मटेरियल इन आणि आउट होतं त्या मटेरियलला मॅनेज करण्याचं काम इन्व्हेंटरी मॅनेजमेंट करतात. देन सेकंड वन इज ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन मॅनेजमेंट. ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन मॅनेजमेंट Logistics involve the mobilizing different mode of a transport to move a merchandise from one stage of supply chain to the next stage. Merchandise might need to travel via road vehicles, freights, trains, shippings, or even air travel for a long distance of supply chains. Transportation management मध्ये supply chain logistic management it is the part of supply chain management and it work for the supply chain management. Functions of logistic. What is the functions of logistic? In that the design, order, procurement and reverse logistic. These are the component of logistic. Then the number one is design. The management professional designs precision logistic network covering the different locations that make up the supply chain. They optimize route between the manufacturer, warehouse, transportation service providers and final retailers to ensure an insufficient service. आता आपण कंपोनंट ऑफ लॉजिस्टिकमध्ये फर्स्ट पार्ट जो डिझाईन बघितला, या डिझाईनमध्ये आपण जे काही लोकेशन्स आपले कवर करतो लॉजिस्टिकमध्ये, हे लॉजिस्टिकमध्ये मॅन्युफॅक्चरर कुठे आहे, वेअरहाऊस कुठे असेल, ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन त्याचं कसं होईल आणि कन्झ्युमरला तो प्रोडक्ट सफिशियंट वेळेमध्ये किंवा त्याच्या गिवन टायमिंगमध्ये कसं हँडओव्हर केला जाईल, या सगळ्या गोष्टीचं फोरकास्टिंग करून आपण वेअरहाऊस, मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री या सगळ्या गोष्टीचं डिझाईन इथे करत असतो. देन सेकंड वन इज ऑर्डर्स. लॉजिस्टिक मॅनेजमेंट ऑल्सो इन्व्हॉल्व processing customer orders and lot of them at that order have to be received, sorted, filled, recorded and then fulfilled promptly. Keeping this process reliable and efficient is an essential logistic functions. जनरली काय होतं की लॉजिस्टिक मॅनेजमेंटमध्ये एखाद्या कस्टमरची जेव्हा ऑर्डर आपण प्रोसेसिंग करतो तर ती ऑर्डर ही आपल्याला रिसीव होते, त्यानंतर आपण त्याला सॉर्ट आऊट करतो, सॉर्ट आऊट केल्यानंतर आपण त्याला फिल्डअप करतो, त्यानंतर रेकॉर्डेड करून आपल्या गिवन टायमिंगमध्ये आपण ती ऑर्डर प्रोव्हाइड करतो. तर या सगळ्या प्रोसेसला आपण ऑर्डर्स मॅनेजमेंट असं म्हणू शकतो. देन procurement. For product to reach the sleeves, someone has a deal with a raw material. Logistic management involves obtaining a high quality raw material from external supplier and negotiating the best price for the manufacturer. Next one is reverse logistic. Reverse logistic plans and execute the reverse or proper disposal of a product and materials. In short, this process works backward to ensure the excess or used merchandise is dealt with the sustainable. Some companies even have a sustainability target for which it is the responsibility of a logistic to execute it. Next slide is the difference between the logistic and supply chain management. Logistic and supply chain management are closely related processes, but they are not entirely alike. They each make up the separate part of a commercial process. The pictures of supply chain management as a broader canvas. It encompasses an extensive network of functionaries that execute the movement of a merchandise from production to consumer. That means everyone from vendor to warehouse and transportation services. The picture logistic as a process painted within the supply chain canvas. It can be carried out in-house by a single company or by the outsourcing to the third-party logistic providers. It is concerned with the optimizing every processes. Thank you. The next part will be covered in a next video. We have to cover uh, interference of logistic management with production and marketing also. Thank you.